Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Lamphang ke yingdor barthaan ke jilla Thomas A Sangma menta kasngi ka pratarik ujemmang ula ai Jingithuh ya ke Jingpynïasoh ke People's Democratic Front sya ke National People's Party la ban kedo baki arngut ki MLA ke PDF kata uba Gavin Melim baru ba bantedor lingdo la lej Pynyasok sya ke NPP ha ke sngi sat jan pada ke jo ke por la khliap lama ya ke PDF ha ke babaro kinong ya lambat ki khot ke seng kila rung sya ke NPP ha ke hukum bala penmi menta ke sngi Lamphang ula pentip bahadin ke jingpet banyak ya ki kot kislah ha ke bayadai bat ke Jingpynïasoh ke PDF sya ke NPP bat ha bala pule banyak ya ki kindon jong ke khernit ke basipo jong ke riti sensyar usyam bakamdon kano ke jingthot lani ke jingbambiang bat kamdon kam satya ban penduk ya ke jinglong MLA jong uba Gavin bat uba bantedor namar kata Lamphang ula ai ke Jingithuh ya kini ki arngut ki MLA ba kin deino ki MLA ke seng NPP nado menta ke sngi.
We just came and collect our official recognition of our merger. The letter which we have sent to Speaker on 5th regarding our request for merger with NPP, according to the provisions that we've had the General Council on the 5th. The meeting on 5th had unanimously decided to merge with NPP. So today we came and collected the official recognition. On Saturday, even our Honourable Chief Minister, who is the National President of NPP, had declared that the block at Sora and at Mokonro, the NPP Sora block and Mokonro in Mokonro constituency, is dissolved, and now we have been elected as the ad hoc members of those respective blocks.